Wàhálà musician, international musician, federal government liability ọmọ ìjọba ni mí. Àkóyè Tinubu, àkóyè APC.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ti mú Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí o kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kàn mọ ọkùnrin olórin tàkásùfé yìí nìkan. Alukoro iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ti sọ pé dandan gbọ̀n ni ó gbọ́dọ̀ fa ojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ nítorí lákàn báyìí kò gbọ́dọ̀ ga ju onílé lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nìkan báyìí kò tóbi ju òfin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lọ bó tilẹ̀ pé ọmọ ìjọba ní ọkùnrin tó pèrè ní wèrè olórin Ìdààmú àdúgbò sọ pé òun ṣe báyìí síbẹ̀ ìjọba àpapọ̀ ti mú o wọ́n ti wọ́dé olú iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tó wà ní Iléwéran nílùú Abẹ́òkúta bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkùnrin kan ni ó lọ fẹjọ́ ẹ̀sùn lágbà àwọn ọlọ́pàá ó ló ba òun ní dúkìá jẹ́ ó tún dójú tò òun níta gbangba bẹ́ẹ̀ ló dúnkòkò mọ́ òun pẹ̀lú nígbà tí òun kò sì lè dáa mú ló bá gba ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ kí wọ́n bá òun fi ọwọ́ òfin mú iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ọ̀rọ̀ tiwọn ni wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ti ránṣẹ́ sí dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n tí ọkùnrin kọ̀ láti yọjú wọ́n ní bíi ẹ̀mẹ́ta ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́yìn àwọn ránṣẹ́ sí pé kó wá sọ tẹnu ẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀sùn tí ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí kan fi kàn án wọ́n ní ọkùnrin tó wá fẹjọ́ ẹ̀sùn ní tíṣà ọlọ́pàá sọ pé níṣe ni Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí wèrè olórin kó àwọn jàǹdùkú wá ba stúdíò òun jẹ́ tí wọ́n fi ayé ní òun lára gidigidi tí ó sì tún ṣèlérí pé òun yóò gba ìjẹlẹ́nu òun iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá sọ pé nígbà tó kọ̀ tí kò yọjú ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ gbé o ṣùgbọ́n tó da ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún sí wàhálà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó lọ síbẹ̀ ni àwọn ni wọ́n ti fi ọwọ́ òfin mú o tí wọ́n sì gbé ìjà tó wá sí àgọ́ àwọn báyìí ohun kan tí agbẹnusọ fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá SP Abímbọ́lá Oyèyẹmísì tẹnumọ́ ni pé kò sẹ́ni tí ó ga ju òfin Nàìjíríà lọ o ìwádìí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ yóò sì fojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ àti ohun tí ó hàn dájú báyìí ni pé ó ti wà lákàtà àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yóò sì délé ẹjọ́ dandan ni o. ṣáò ariwo tí Portable ń pa bí wọ́n ṣe fi fídíò ẹ̀wọ̀n lágbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni pé ọmọ ìjọba ni òun ṣe o òun ní Bọ́lá Tinubu dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun tún ní ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú APC pẹ̀lú.
Run foul against it.
He seized my property, assault me, and did so many things online. And he beat me, he disgraced me, and he said that he want to end my career, so many things, and I'm not contented with that. So I have to come to the nearest police station because I can't drag him the way he dragged me. So I have to come to the police station and narrate what happened, then write petition against him. So that's what led to this.
Do you think justice will be done?
By the special grace of God and by the special grace of or by the power of police, everything will be okay, I believe.
Police is our parents. Wàhálà visa. Calamari, you must transfer. I go by name Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí. Wàhálà musician, international musician, federal government liability ọmọ ìjọba ni mí. Àkóyè Tinubu, àkóyè APC.
Sorry.
Visa. Can I talk, mommy? Abi Àkóyè police. Visa. Police is our friend. Wàhálà, I do meeting for living. Orí mo fi ń garú. Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí federal government liability ọmọ ìjọba. Ìjọba ló tọ́jú wa, ìjọba ló gáàdì wa. Wàhálà wa ló akọ́lé wa ra mọ́tò. Ọmọ náà wàhálà. Visa. Police is our friend. I go by name. Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí federal government liability.
All right, perfect. Where do you think you are?
As you can see, Portable has been arrested. There is a petition against him from a Nigerian who has a studio, and this guy went to the studio of this man and he destroyed the studio, and he still ordered his boys to beat him. He was beaten black and blue, and that was the basis of the petition in the first instance. Based on that, invitation letter was sent to him, not once, not twice, not 3 times. He refused to honor the invitation. When he refused to honor the invitation, police were sent to go and effect his arrest. And on getting there, he assaulted the officers that went there. But today, he has been arrested. He's with us. Investigation has commenced. And as soon as we conclude our investigation, he's going to be charged to court. Any moment from now, we'll be going to court. As soon as the investigation is concluded, he's going to court. That you are an artist, you are a star, does not make you to be above the law. Nobody is bigger than the law. The law is no respecter of anybody. If you are an artist, if you are a celebrity, you are a star, you operate within the ambit of the law, and the law will protect you. But when you take impunity as one of the characteristics of being a celebrity, you will have the law enforcement agents to contend with. It is not possible for somebody to become an island on his own, for somebody to become bigger than the law. So the law, everybody we are all equal before the law, and the law will take care of anybody who run foul against it.
You see,
Olorin TV. Olorin TV. Nílé nílé òkúni, ẹ máa wò ó. Ètò tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n. Ètò tó kọ́ni lóye. Ní gbogbo àgbáyé.